Hi there. Thank you so much for listing your property with Florida Rental by Owners. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your iCal URL link to automatically update your availability calendars in your listings. So, in your Host Dashboard, you're going to navigate down to your Listings tab, which is here. Anytime you want to do any editing of any property, you press on the Details button. Then you're going to navigate to the left-hand side to the Availability tab. Here you can see the iCal import link. This is where you can put your iCal import link and then just press Save iCal Settings. And at that point, it will immediately sync all of the bookings that you have from this feed. And you can read the booking ID, which is handy to identify exactly who is coming in on which week. We like that it has different color code settings, so you know who's coming in and who's going, and see if there's any overlapping of any date. This is obviously a check-in, check-out scenario here on the 23rd. That's why you see two colors here. Also, if you wanted to do an export, you'll be able to find that export link here in your iCal export area, up here. And this is where you copy that into maybe your property management software or other listing sites in their iCal availability calendar fields. And it will sync all of your bookings from your availability calendar over to that listing. It's important that you do use a master calendar that feeds out all of the bookings. And all of the bookings from different listing sites go into one master counter. That's how you avoid any issues with booking not coming through. So in the bottom of this area for all the bookings, you can see really quickly that we have here where you can sort by all the dates. You can sort by source. You can sort by status in terms of if you wanted to see all different kinds of bookings. You can even edit entries that are longer than 10 showing. And that's it. So let us know if you need any help or if you need any more details. Reach out to us at info@floridarentalbyowners.com. or contact us toll-free at 1-877-735-2726.